We're here with our 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory. Put the second coat of primer on today. We're using the Pettit EZ Prime because we're using the Pettit EZ Epoxy. Will be the top side paint. So we rolled that on with some mini rollers and tipped it with a little 2-inch sash brush with a little short handle. Makes it a little bit easier to control. Doesn't weigh as much. Skipper likes it. That's all that matters. And then we took all the spars, we wiped them down with a little bit of the TotalBoat brushing thinner. They'd been stained a few weeks ago with the Minwax stain. So we basically just cleaned the dust off of them and put on some TotalBoat Gleam 2.0 marine varnish, so you got the satin finish to it. So that's drying now, and we'll let that dry and get a second coat on tomorrow. There's the varnish product we're using. We used one of these thicker red tree brushes that Louis recommended. I don't know if I can find one without dancing the camera all over the place. It's kind of it's just a chip brush, but it's got a double thickness to it, and that spread the varnish really well. Tomorrow we'll do a light sanding with some 120 grit, and we'll get the first coat of Pettit EZ Epoxy going, the blue ice color. That's going to be our top side color for the dabber. Should complement that light green interior. So there she is. That's what we worked on today. Hope y'all are having a great evening, and we'll check in with you again soon.